Hey, it's time for another
Everyday Getaway.
And it's dessert time. It's Tuesday.
Yes, it is. So, hey, we've got something fun for you today.
Straight from Disney.
There you go. We love getting a nice cold Dole Whip inside the Magic Kingdom, or you can actually get it in the Africa part of Animal Kingdom, and it's a Dole Whip.
Well, we're going to give it a try at home and see how it tastes.
There you go. We found a copycat recipe, so let's give it a try. Okay, the recipe says, the copycat one that we found says, make sure you put these things in the blender in this order. So in the blender, we're going to put 4 ounces of pineapple juice. We got everything pre-measured. A cup of ice cream. And I should have a spoon. There we go. This is 2 cups of frozen pineapple chunks. And I wasn't thinking when it said frozen, I stuck the can in the freezer, but then everything freezes inside. So you might want to take these out and put it in some container and then freeze it.
Or you can buy them frozen.
Or you can buy them frozen. We ended up just taking the can of frozen stuff and running some warm water over it. It worked. This is 2 tablespoons of sugar. It says you don't have to put that in, but yeah, we want sweet pineapple. And a pinch of salt. And a pinch of salt is about 1/4 of a teaspoon. All right, we're gonna blend it up, see what we get. I'm going to make sure all the chunks are smooth. They are. I actually think I'm going to add a little bit more ice cream just because I think this is loose. So I'm going to add just a little bit more ice cream. All right, it's just vanilla ice cream. I'm just going to add a little extra just so it's got a little bit more thickness to it. Still got a couple lumps down in the bottom. Give it a little bit more. All right, looks pretty smooth. All right, the directions say you can just put it in a container or you can put it in a piping bag. I've got a star tip on the end. I'm gonna put it in the piping bag. Give it a few minutes in the freezer, 10 minutes or so, so that when you swirl it, hopefully it saves that Dole Whip shape that we know from Disney. Okay, we've got it all in the piping bag. I think it will sit here so that we can get it just frozen a little bit more. So we're gonna put it in the freezer for 10-15 minutes and then we'll see you back to pipe it.
Okay, so we put it in the freezer for about 20-25 minutes. It really didn't come hard enough, so I'm just gonna scoop it up here and we'll go ahead and give it a try. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and give it a taste and see how it tastes. Okay, it really, for a copycat, it really does taste a lot like the Dole Whip. It's got a really good pineapple taste to it. It's great. It's hot here today, so it's really nice on a hot day. It tastes pretty good. I would give it a try again.
All right, here goes. Definitely taste the pineapple. Very nice, and it's got a real smooth texture to it. I think it's very yummy. I like it. I definitely would try it again. The recipe doesn't make that much, but I think it'd be 2 good servings on a hot day.
Hey, so I thought it was pretty good. I think that we probably could have left it in a little bit longer in the freezer. It's really hot today, so we were kind of impatient. But the flavor is really good. It's a nice little afternoon drink.
I think what I'm missing is a projection show on the castle and some fireworks. But other than that, tastes like a Dole Whip to me.
So let's give it one more taste. Really good.
It's really good.
Hey, thanks for joining us today. We hope you give it a try. Let us know what your thoughts are.
And if you have another recipe you want us to give a try for a copycat or something else fun, just let us know.
Hey, and make sure you hit that like button, that share button. And if you haven't already, please subscribe.
All right, take care of yourselves, take care of others, and we'll see you soon. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
So while we were trying out the recipe, I was making bacon, and oh no, I forgot the bacon. Doug likes it crispy, but I think this is a little bit beyond crispy. Ooh.
Join us next week as we try making no churn cookies and cream ice cream with Karo syrup